This is the no-nonsense guide to disjunctive syllogism, sometimes called Or-Elimination. Let's go! Disjunctive syllogism is a valid inference rule that looks like this. Either P or Q, not P. Therefore, Q. The model shows a pattern, a form. Either the first thing or the second thing, not the first thing. Therefore, the second thing. Alternatively, either the first thing or the second thing, not the second thing, therefore, the first thing. Think of it as the process of elimination. A statement using or is called a disjunction. Each part on either side is called a disjunct. Disjunctive syllogism says, either this disjunct or that disjunct is true. That disjunct is not true. So, this disjunct is true. Either Kim left the party or Tom left the party. Tom did not leave the party. So, Kim left the party. Using symbols, either box or circle. Not box, therefore, circle. The box and circle example shows that P and Q can really stand for anything. For example, either Kim and Tom went, or if Bob went, then Denise went. It's not the case that if Bob went, then Denise went. Therefore, Kim and Tom went. It looks messy, but the pattern is simple. Here's how it looks in symbolic logic, a natural deduction proof. Either Kim and Tom went, or if Bob went, then Denise went. It is not the case that if Bob went, then Denise went, so we can infer Kim and Tom went using disjunctive syllogism on lines 1 and 2, or as some textbooks call it, Or-Elimination, lines 1 and 2. See the structure? Either this or that. Not this, so that. For beginners, disjunctive syllogism feels a lot like modus tollens. Both use a negation on the second line. Both conclude by taking a piece from the first line, so the surface pattern looks the same. But the differences are crucial. First, modus tollens only applies to if-then sentences. Disjunctive syllogism only applies to or sentences. Different connective, different rule. Second, modus tollens always requires tagging your inference with a negation. But with disjunctive syllogism, you simply take the other disjunct. Unchanged. Disjunctive syllogism is a valid deductive form that works like process of elimination. If you have a disjunction and one disjunct is ruled out, you can infer the other. Arguments can get more complicated and still count as disjunctive syllogism, as long as the basic structure remains the same. To avoid error, remember, don't mix up disjunctive syllogism with modus tollens. Modus tollens works with conditionals, while disjunctive syllogism applies only to disjunctions. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning in the No Nonsense playlist.